Hello, everybody. How are you today? I hope you are good. There are 7 days in a week. Do you know them in English? Well, it's important to know them. As you may already know, I'm Mr. Edizer. And with no further ado, let's get down to the nitty-gritty. Okay, let's get started. Monday. You can repeat after me. Vous capable répéter après. Monday. For example, today is Monday. Today is Monday. Tuesday. Repeat after me. Tuesday. For example, Tuesday is the second day of the week. Répétez après. Tuesday is the second day of the week. Wednesday. 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 For example, he was born on a Wednesday. He was born on a Wednesday. Thursday. 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 Thursday is the fourth day of the week. You can repeat after me. Thursday is the fourth day of the week. Friday. 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 He plays soccer every Friday. Repeat after me. He plays soccer every Friday. Saturday. 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 Last Saturday was Luke's birthday. Last Saturday was Luke's birthday. Sunday. Sunday. For example, Sarah goes to church every first Sunday. Sarah goes to church every first Sunday. Thank you everyone for watching. If you liked the video, do give me a thumbs up. If you are new to the channel, consider subscribing for more videos like this. Have a great day and see you in another video. Bye bye.